In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post your first post on Substack. Let's start right from the beginning. First, log into your Substack account using your usual login details. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different options. Find the button labeled Create. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Article. As soon as you do this, Substack will open up the article editor, which is where you'll be writing and preparing your post. Inside the article editor, you'll build your post from top to bottom. At the very top, click on the title area and type in the main headline for your piece. This should clearly tell readers what your post is about. Just below that, you have the option to add a subtitle. This is optional, but it's a great place to add a short description, a hook, or a bit more context to draw readers in. Once your title and optional subtitle are in place, move down into the main body area and start adding your article content. You can type directly into the editor or paste text from somewhere else and then adjust it. Take your time here to make sure everything reads smoothly. Above the content area, you'll notice a formatting toolbar. This toolbar is really useful. You can use it to make text bold or italic, create headings, and add lists. You can also insert links, images, audio, and videos to make your post more engaging. There are options for quotes and buttons as well, which are great for highlighting key points or directing readers to other pages. When you're happy with your content and how it looks, go to the top right corner of the editor and click the Continue button. A pop-up window will appear with a few important settings before you publish. In this pop-up, you'll first choose your audience. You can decide whether your post is visible to everyone or only to paid subscribers. Next, choose who can comment on your post, either everyone or no one if you prefer to disable comments. You also have the option to add tags or create new ones. Tags help organize your posts and improve discoverability. Take a moment to review the social preview, which shows how your post will appear when it's shared on social platforms. Then, you can choose whether to send your post via email and through the Substack app. If you don't want to publish right away, check the scheduling option. Here, you can set a specific date and time to email and publish your post automatically. Once all of these settings look good, go to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Publish. Your first Substack post is now live.